Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And by the way, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the #1 online leading DIY channel in East and Central Africa. Turn on your notification bell so that you get to know when I put up new videos. I know I'm on the roadside, it's noisy, but I told you I want to show you the process from where I get the bottle to the decoration to the setting of it on the table. So I'm somewhere on the bypass going to Kahawa West from Kiambu Road, and this is where I get the bottles. So yeah, this is how my day is. After this I have to go and clean up the bottles. Let me show you. These bottles, technically they're not clean. I have to go do a lot of cleanup, but usually I soak them in water overnight. Once I soak them in water overnight, then I'm able to remove the stickers, clean them up, and start working on them. So guys, there were cows around this place. Yes, the Maasais were passing, and here I am picking. So the first thing whenever I arrive to this place, I usually try and find the most unique bottles, and this guy has already separated the colorless bottles. He packs them together, the green ones, the brownish one, which makes it easier for you to come and pick whatever you want. So usually this is what I do. After picking a certain unique bottle, I usually show him and say, keep this. If you find a lot of this, keep them. I will come pick them. So that is why this place, when I have big projects or I have massive projects that I need a lot of unique bottles, I usually head up to this place. See, greens, they are all together, brownish all together. Even the cows were trying to eat the green bottles. Imagine, they were thinking it's grass. So yeah, so this project I picked Baileys, yes, and Robinson bottles. Now I know all of them, despite I haven't tasted them yet. So who loves shopping like me? There you go. I overshopped, honestly. I got 40 bottles in total. Yes, that's a course full of bottles. And I think I will just go back for more. I know myself. I just love this, the decoration and all that. It's very therapeutic to me. So my people, I got home. That sack over there was still full of bottles. As you can see, all of them in there are like 20 bottles of it's called what? The what? Berries, yes, the black ones. So I also got so many interesting bottles. I really like these Robinsons ones. They come out really nice. And then for the first time I got this bottle, coffee something, yeah, and it's like double-sided, one side and the other side. I can't wait to see what I do with that. I got Hennessy. I always love Hennessy, the way they come out. And they're actually, I never realized, like, there are two types of Hennessy. Let me show you. See, this is like a round one, and this is like a round-ish oval. And then I got this old monk. It usually comes out very nice, very nice. Oh, there's another Hennessy. Oh, see, I didn't know all this. Let me turn the light this side. So, and then wait, one more. This bottle, look at that. So I got a total of 40 bottles today. Even Viceroy. I love this Viceroy. You'll see what I do with them. I'm in TBD, that's why I'm in mask. I wanted to show you where I get this yarn. So many of you have asked me where I get the yarn. I'm in Biashara Street, so I want to show you the name of the shop, and you can come and find it. So that's the name of the shop. So my next shop was on Dumbois Road. There is the name of the shop. This is where I get the yarns, specifically just the shiny yarns and the other yarns that I specifically use. So if you ever wonder, that's where I get the yarns. It's on Dumbois Road. Just go looking for that shop. It's like branded. and I'm showing you other features around the shop so that you get to know specifically where and what I'm talking about. So by far, I hope you're getting where I get the materials. If you have a question, just leave it on the comment section down below and I will get back to you. After that, I headed now to River Road. This is River Road, just after the beauty shops where they sell hair and all of that. We have this place where they sell gowns and wedding stuff and all that. So inside there is where I get flowers. And I know I keep on saying I'm not going to mention the prices of this thing, because for me I get them in wholesale and at a discount. So if you go there, definitely you can be able to negotiate for yourself. So for this wedding that I'm doing, I wanted to get white flowers. So there they are. I got two versions of white flower. One is pure white, the other one is not white, but they are different shades of white. So in this shop specifically, they just have variety of flowers, flower pots, and I really liked it. So far, please let me know what you think. Any question you have. If you're new to this channel, karibu sana. For those who have been here, I am grateful that you keep on watching my videos. The next video that you're going to see me doing the setup of these decorated bottles. I'm not going to show you the process of decorating the bottles because I've done it so many times. So I'm going to show you on Friday. The wedding is on Friday. On Friday when I'm setting up, and on Sunday when I'm setting up for Just As. Shared moments with Just As. So anyway, that's all for today. Have a blessed day. Enjoy the rest of the video. And do not forget to leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, give the video a thumbs up please, and be blessed. Enjoy every moment. We are still here and we got to get to the end of everything. Enjoy your day.